Hi everyone. Are you recovering from a rotator cuff tear and looking for exercises to help restore mobility and strength? You're in the right place. Today, in this video, we're going to talk about 4 of the best exercises you can do to help improve your mobility and improve your strength. These are safe even if you're post-surgery or if you just really hurt it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the pendulum swing. The pendulum swing is great for gently restoring mobility and reducing stiffness. To perform the pendulum swing, lean forward with your unaffected hand resting on a table or chair for support. Let your injured arm hang loosely and swing it in small circles. You can also move your arm back and forth or side to side, but focus on gentle, slow movements. Do this for about 30 seconds to loosen up the shoulder joint and reduce tension. Next up is the external rotation with a resistance band. This exercise is great for improving stability and strengthening your rotator cuff. Start by securing the resistance band at waist height. Stand tall with your elbow bent at 90 degrees, keeping it close to your side. Slowly rotate your arm outward, keeping your elbow fixed in place. Hold the position for a second, then return to the starting position. This exercise works the external rotator muscles and will help improve the stability of your shoulder. Begin with light resistance and increase as your shoulder gets stronger. The third exercise is the shoulder blade squeeze. This simple move targets muscles around your scapula that help stabilize your shoulder for better function. To do the shoulder blade squeeze, sit or stand tall with your arms relaxed and your hands in front of you. Now squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to pinch something between them. Hold for about 5 seconds, then slowly release. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles around the shoulder blades, which support and stabilize your shoulder joint. It's a great exercise to improve posture and shoulder strength. Lastly, we have the wall walk or wall climbs. This exercise is great for improving your shoulders' flexibility and range of motion. To perform wall walks, stand with your injured arm facing a wall. Use your fingers to crawl your hand up the wall as high as you can comfortably go. Don't force the movement, just go as far as your shoulder allows. Once you reach the highest point, slowly lower your arm back down. This exercise helps improve your shoulder's flexibility and range of motion while gently stretching the muscles and tissues around your rotator cuff. And there you have it, 4 of the best exercises to help you recover from a rotator cuff tear. Perform these exercises slow and controlled, and always consult your physician or physical therapist before starting a new exercise routine. Thanks for watching. Keep working hard on your recovery, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe for more pain relief tips. Valley Rehab Physical Therapy and Return to Work Center.